happening live right now. Some BSS people came around and shot some men. We don't actually know what happened, but today being 7th of November, happening live night.
Atole mungaji dide na ko yare ha ke ka Abraham ka le oda no no imani hari han le imani hari ha gina chudu banne ha anu mani hari ha.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button. Hello Biafrans, welcome to Magnetic Jigs TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone and your location, wherever you are watching us from. We, the team of Magnetic Jigs TV, is bringing this news live and direct to you. Biafrans, the Biafra Liberation Army is still engaging the Musa and Asari boys in Imo State. Oka the very hot na Imo State. Ihe na Imo State ka the very hot. Obukwa very fake and ML. A serious guerrilla warfare is still going on between the Biafra Liberation Army and the Musa guys and Asari guys in Imo State. The last post we made concerning this guerrilla warfare in Imo State, where we say that UC, one of the Biafra Liberation guys called UC, was gunned down. You know, he's very close to OI, I Pensy.
Atole mungaji dide na ko yare ha ke ka Abraham ka le oda no no imani hari han le imani hari ha gina chudu banne ha anu mani hari ha le oda no oda no mani anyan odra joso baje ya ba an ko da ba ka tu ke solid ya tra no te ku ka no do no ndi nyo no ke guru no wayo ndi guru no ke watch ga na obudo sira number obudo country code obudo make to no ke bashirika bikon ana tuna me ko mana ko mana ko ni ka re too small la diga manya dra na oni akrishan nwa the wait bikon tata nka bagote tru ani dirka bagote bikon ha ye udiga ke jibawe na with la ha senti with nne na wannan pe e mana ndim ku na ku na ya hije bana han iji na example ku gbu ebran daniel ba government ya mo ego na ezu dezu ana amara aton ga she me go mete zu ego ka mete ko ka bagote ka anu do bikon ana se me ko no mana umunna the general government daniel
no okpundi Biafra ka watral no okporo ụzọ nene mekpasi Biafra must be okpundi Biafra ka ndị del na ani I swear Nekana. Ande amaro hani vali ya pues. Siko etieno. Ngwa. Aje siko nyana oko. Osika nan. Bam. Aje Biafra kogolu. Motiri ya ji wani. Nesi Biafra. Biafra nina. I pro salute. Biafra nina. Biafra.
I did America as a product. You don't want to read much on the camp. America as a product. Because a small thing I take for better message. Within 12 hours, I got back to Nigeria, outside Africa. He say,
the Biafra Liberation guys, the men on ground, they still insist on fighting on. They do not want to bow down. They do not want to back out. They do not even want to succumb to the thing that is going on between them and the Musa guys. So in this video, they are saying that they must continue looking, or they must continue, and Biafra will surely be achieved. Even though so many people are coming up to speak, telling them that they should accept the amnesty in Imo State, that they should give up all those arms, come out, that the government should do something better for them. Ijele is one of those people advocating for that. You can see Ijele called Ndubisi out, because Ndubisi is one of the Biafran liberation guys. You know, he's very popular on TikTok. So Ijele called him out, pleading with him to quit, to go and accept amnesty, that he likes him. And then the VC also made a post where he said something concerning people that are saying that he should quit Biafra, and the other set of people that are even wishing him death. He made a post. Just listen to Ijele and then the VC in what they said.
Firstly, I go thank God for giving me this upper. Them people say I go fuck up, said I want so leaky up a lot more. I don't give them for 2019 and I don't stop. I today do my thing, cause you're the man la, but you're married, yeah. You go let's see, yeah. And the Jesus
Ndegu, ose tigonu. I pencil on go a coffee. Oman Taka, if you December, go what time again? On is ticking. Go while your time is ticking. The person for whom I want to make this music specifically is in the Ndubisi and disaster. Two of you, let me tell you, life has given you people opportunities multiple times, and I'm using you people as an example for all other guys that are still inside the bush, joining these criminals, buying people, stealing vehicles, kidnapping and everything. It's up to you people to change. Now maybe last week or now with this one, they insult on our father for TikTok. If they tell and say yesterday you no go see 6 p.m. yesterday, you go believe. If they tell and say you no go see 6 p.m. yesterday or this morning, you go say na whining. Ndubisi, disaster. I'm warning you people. I'm advising you as an older brother, as somebody who knows street pass on. You need to retrace your steps or on I go collect. And I don't see how boy you take go. Nke boy you are kwakọchage okota ka dey sikocha nke. Na so your own go still end unless you change, unless you leave that bush. If I pencil no gree more na comot, more na kpai am. If una two buy, if una buy that one, even if na this one no be say government wan help una, government no dey give anybody any money o, but we go help una. Some of una we don send some to some African countries, of which una know. Some we contribute their ticket money to go abroad. The African country are still abroad, but una know wetin I mean by abroad. So now you know what you want to do with your life. This one now, in family, don't forget time, don't go. They no go even see dead body bed. Shebi they tell on us anyone where they buy. Then they go build mansion for a family. Make I see the one where they go build for this one. I got to talk and share and below and I go mass. You see not now we show off ya. If you people want to repent, it's up to you. If you don't, I wouldn't can die about this.
Maka na bụ nwa ọgbụgba ndụ n'aka Chukwu okike abịa ma dị n'ime m ebere memụla m ndị nọ m ndị.
My message to Biafran soldiers bụ ndị na-amarozi ọrụfa bụzi na social media ka abezisi lapụ ọrụfa ga na-arụ. Eji na Biafrans gwu egwu, eji na anyị gwu egwu. Men dey grand wey get ajo obi karịa gị. Men dey wey get ajo obi karịa gị. Okay, na water. People dey where they wait for their own turn to come. They feel me? People dey self where they wait. They put Oga aside ozugbo kafa jump in. Reason with your brain. Handle your position very well. Engineer gwu egwu. Men dey where they wait for that your position. Engineer gwu egwu. Reason and focus on your work. Openly put a social media even a couple shit. They feel me? Leave the talk for the talkatives and focus on your work. You feel me? Focus on your work. Leave the talk. Can they talkative way? They feel me? Men they grand when they have men they when they get joy. Oh my bad with joy. They feel me? We do when that na name will recruitment gamana men they. Men want to be there. Not even a social media na bullshit. If you need something, you go now your men need so thing. And how what even now you provide area, then you focus on your work. Leave the talk for the talkative to talk. Focus on your work. Kala PG go close your chapter. They feel me? Kala PG close your chapter.
So Biafrans, you can see that now Brokwa Oberife Bihanagazi on now this Biafran struggle because so many people still want to join. So many people are pleading that they should be given the opportunity to join the Biafran Liberation Army, that they want to fight for their motherland. Man, guys, the mean, or guys should they continue the job to make sure that things got off guys the very mean na this thing imo ndị na-apụ ndị na-abatakwa ọkwa bụ the maintain ụdị na ihe efuru because Biafra is a spirit. It has possessed so many people, though we are saying of which Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has said that some time ago that let there be peace, let there be peace in Biafran land. Most of all these things, it's not just like, I don't know how to put it, but I can say that some of all these things are being sponsored by some evil politicians, of which the governor of Imo State, Mr. Hope Uzodimma, said it. So most of all this buying are being sponsored by some bad and evil politicians. Na ka enwe nudo na Igbo, ka enwe nudo.
Igbo niile ekele m n'unu. All the freedom fighters, ekelem nunu. All my followers, ekelem nunu. All the hero star from Biafran land, or you call me the Petrova. Unewoli unmade bia kemba mpura abali olile lengalaga. Ado toji bayaga ije nwoke adịghị ife pa. Ije nwoke adịghị mfe. So adi ajum se tamjo. Our brothers and our sisters, they have petrol have for ihe gbasara nwere onwe nke Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na nwere onwe nke ụmụ Biafra ka anyị na-achọ. Some of our people, some men and some women, ndị wefutara onwe na ihe gbasara nwere onwe nke ụmụ Biafra na ihe gbasara nwere onwe nke Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, ndị wefutara onwe ndị ntiri ahụhụ their time and their everything to make sure that Biafra is restored. How are we going to get the contact to join the Biafran army or Biafran ESN? Some of our leaders ngime tanyimba la hembasra this Biafran army or this Biafran Eastern Security Network. Obola digging then some videos or some pictures I sent or I post to EJ say call this man or call this woman or call this number. Then kainu from them makwanotu na hagi issue with reason on basara this Biafran army something that you want to enter. Obola do tell you when the kids without the contact because all men, all women can gauge about the war more than about war. Because if Biafra come today, which I know that Biafra has come, I know we have Biafras have soldiers everywhere, but we need more men and women to join these Biafran soldiers and these Biafrans ESM
go to Hague without the contact to call some of our leaders to come and carry us along to join this struggle. Men, because we can see men and they wepụta ahụ. Men say wepụtara ahụ ụmụ nwoke ma ụmụ nwanyị onye ọbụla etile ahụ. Onye ọbụla etile ahụ. How are we going to get the contact to join this? We need help. We need help. Ụmụ nwoke apụtala ụmụ nwanyị apụtala. Ka otu anyị ga-esi eti ahụ, ka otu anyị ga-esi enweta the contact to join this Biafran army or this Biafran ESN, this Biafran security office something. How are we going to get the contact? How are we going to reach, some of our leaders? All Nnamdi Kanu no outside now, at least, all one touch, Nnamdi Kanu will give contact. Ebupu and Daga ebupu for the training. They are working. But men, never put a la, never put a long way. Go tagisi, near contact hagishi poor. Can a chani can you worry ganye? May Henny Lani Menahem Basara movement, Nahem Basara, this Biafra army something. I think that is government that will do it for us. It's Biafran government, it's Biafran leaders that will do it for the people that bring themselves out to join this Biafra struggle, this Biafran army and ESN something. They will sponsor us. Ebupu I get a chat training. Ebupu atakwan dem chat training, ebupu kwandozo. Oh him se kam jo, ko tagi sheme. Aswa ba toka ataka nyo mamene ya agbo ofufu. Biko ka anye no nwanya aka. Because he na mge bara onye ku bara onye nta. Oge bara nwoke bara nwanyị. Bara ụmụ nwanyị ma ndị onge bịa abịa ndị mbeta abata oge iru onye oge bara onye ọbụla. So unu just lebo okwu na m dị ikwu anya. Tamu tagi ji mee ya. I need enyemaka. Ọ bụrụ na anem self, we need help. We need help. Ka enwe ike ebupu some people. Ebubata ebupu. O te esi eme ya. Ka anyị ga mee trainer bụ ebata bịa chiri ala anyị. O te esi eme ya. Ndewo.
Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in court case saying that they cannot jail him, that there is nothing that will make them to jail him until they prove to him the existing law that that show that he failed or that he's guilty of what they are accusing him of. 20th na abekwa on 20th kaigama wada maga e prosecute kaga happier kaga mekuya join ikeguru. But all is well. All is well. All is well. Thank you, Biafrans. Thank you, everyone watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Jigs TV, for we remain the best. Can we interact in our comment section? We all love you. Bye.
Directives of the Supreme Court, judgment in FRN v. Nnamdi Kanu in suit number SC/CR/1361/2022, delivered on the 15th of December 2023. The relief I'm seeking, my Lord, is a very simple. The expunging from the records of this very honorable court the purported plea of not guilty entered by myself, the defendant, here the applicant, on the 29th day of March 2025, the same having been obtained under deception, coercion, and in clear violation of section 36(6)(a) of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, as amended, and in defiance of the Supreme Court's binding directive in FRN v. Nnamdi Kanu. I'm asking my Lord for an order setting aside all proceedings conducted pursuant to the said defective plea, including but not limited to the scheduling of defense, witness summons, and trial dates, the same being founded on a nullity ab initio. An order declaring that the 7th count charge dated 29th March 2025, disclosed no triable offense known to law, having been founded on repealed statutes, namely the Terrorism Prevention Amendment Act of 2013, repealed by the Terrorism Prevention and Prohibition Act of 2022, and the Customs and Excise Management Act, Cap C45 LFN 2004, repealed by the Nigeria Customs Services Act of 2023, and in flagrant disobedience of the Supreme Court's order for amendment, and others striking out the charge in its entirety for want of jurisdiction, the same being incompetent and void ab initio, and order directing the immediate release of the defendant's applicants from custody, there being no valid charge pending before this very court, and such other orders as this very honorable court may deem fit and just to make in the circumstances. It was dated, my Lord, the 6th day of November 2025. Thank you, my Lord.
Yes,
May I please ask you? The position was heard a few minutes ago, motion by the defendant filed this morning. The motion was introduced by the defendant a few seconds ago. Lord, I do not intend to file a counter affidavit, but I rely on the proceedings of this court, which is attached to the motion as an exhibit. So, I do not intend to file a counter affidavit. But I just seek your lordship's permission.
What parts of the proceedings are you relying on?
The defendant attached the proceedings of the court marked exhibit MNK01. And I'm also relying on the record of this court in order of your lordship to take judicial notice.
The same record.
Well, this is a part of the main record of the court. These are just some few pages of the date when he took his plea.
Can we go into it? Let us see. I've not read it. I just want what I've not read.
I have seen it. It is the defendant's presence in court of 21st day of March 2025. That was the day when his lead counsel, Kanu Adabi, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, Dr. Yushifazu, Polero Koro, and that number of them appeared for.
Good morning, all my followers. Good morning, all freedom fighters. And good morning, all the Biafrans. Ebobulu no, admi luno. Ototo yunu homa, heru ne homa. Abalengeda furunula ezululu Chioma. Nahachuku Kama Prime Henile. All the hero star from Abia State. Abia State cannot Biafran land. All my followers who na malo nyambo. Munekoli wutunam jikwado. Mabutunam jidress ya, all my followers. Bidiko, unewoli wolo bi ademumma. Ademe barunumpa. Hestangunum bola. Hem deno ndimela. Some part of Biafran lands. Ademobimma. Imo State. Ebeke, this man had a pericoma. Anum lande Nigeria soldiers. na-evubara ebe ahụ wada ga-agbagbuchi ndị mmadụ devu nwa okorobịa devu ụmụ agbọghọbịa ndị evutara wela ndụ wee vuru wela ala Obize Army Barracks ga dachawe pass dere of information m dị nweta right now madas ndị ebe some of our people nọ ndị nọ Imo State our freedom fighters ndị ebe anụ ndị ụghala ka anụ ihe ndị oti ada eme ndị ebe anụ ihe ndị oti ada eme madas ọ bụrụla Abia steeti na m nọ Chukwu okike abịa mapụrụ n'ime ihe niile amaala la ihe ndị ahụ niile ndị ime all those places emetela Abia steeti Chukwu okike abịa mapụrụ n'ime ihe niile amaala ndị iche nwoke ndị iche nwaanyị ala Biafra amaala la ometela Abia steeti ometeghịla Aba ọ ga-emeli na Abia steeti before God and man ọ ga-emeli na Abia steeti ihe ndị a niile na-eme ebe ndị ahụ niile asị na ihe ndị ahụ niile na-eme na Biafran land part of Biafran land a ga-emeli na Abia State. I said, if the zoo want to try, let them come in Abia State. Me kwuru ohere na dekele alias Oti. Me kwuru ohere na dekele alias Oti. The man is working. Anyị jikwa na alias Oti tụkwasị obi. Sila alias Oti na ala ndị zoo maọbụ ndị Fulani agaghị bata. Sila Nigeria military agaghị bata na Abia State. But without Abia State, Aba boys, Abia State men stand Grimbam. Who stand Grimbam? Nigeria soldiers, Nigeria force, Boko Haram cannot come in Abia State and Jones. Why should Nnamdi Kanu said it? Lambobla Batra Abia State, La Helila Agula. Mbobla Hindu Tiambata Abia State, La Helile Agula. Mother say, love information, my people. Ndagadi wanya, bala yeli mo ya, Imo State. Ma wata kira mo na hono, ekuru ya bala yeli mo ya, because of which people? Bandit, Boko Harams. Hendo ti odemma. So nobody to sakwa this message. Send out some people this message, the videos, because this thing, Ndi Mela, other part of Biafra, 3-3, Age Meli, Abia State. Age Meli, Abia State. We may take Abia State, I said. We may take Abia State. Because I believe Abia State men. I believe Abia State boys. I believe the governor of Abia State, Dr. Alias Oti. I believe him. The man is working. So onyo balansla Alias Oti adege no onya lemo anya. The man is working. I love him so much. Do you understand? In that name na part of Biafran land. Enugu, Onitsha, Imo State cannot happen in Abia State. I said, hey yeah. I said, hey yeah. Thank you.